Are you tired of manually archiving emails every day? Learn how to auto-archive any email in Gmail in under 2 minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a filter that automatically archives emails matching your criteria. Just follow these simple steps. Navigate to the Gmail homepage. Click the Show Search Options icon, which looks like sliders, in the search bar. Then, enter the criteria for the emails you want to archive, for example, by sender or subject. Click on Create Filter to open the filter options. Now, check Skip the Inbox, Archive It, to automatically archive matching emails. If you want to archive existing emails that already match, also check Also Apply Filter to matching conversations. Finally, click Create Filter again to save your filter. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.